In other news, Zhiyun is planning for worldwide gimbal domination.
Ooh, please be here, please be here, please be here, please be here. Yes, 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 yes. Ah! Ooh, thank you, Team Zhiyun, for sending this my way. Ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Ooh, yeah. Let's get this out of the way. Oh man, look at that. Yes, yes. Clean packaging, that's cool, looks good. Ooh, it's like a briefcase. Not that I would ever like own a briefcase, but if I had a briefcase and like it were made of foam, this is a pretty good foam briefcase. Let's take a look at everything that we have here in the box. So we obviously have the Weebill LAB. We got battery charger, batteries, great. This is the new quick release plate system that Zhiyun has designed. Let's see if we can figure this out. So here we have the Manfrotto plate, and then we have the Arcaswiss plate right here. And yeah, that's pretty cool. It just like latches right in. So here is the tripod mount. This thing feels kind of nice. It's a rounded design. It's very different from the one that was included with the Crane 2. The Crane 2 one was like an all metal aluminum finish, and it was sort of squared off. And it was nice, it felt very durable, but it also was kind of not the most comfortable or ergonomic. So this thing is rounded, which is like a very welcome change, and it's got this rubberized coating on the legs to kind of just aid with grip. This is a base plate that raises up your camera just in case you're using like a really big lens, you have a very large front element. This will lift the body off of the base plate and will just make sure that you don't have any sort of compatibility issues. And then we have cables, right? Yeah, cables. Cables, hey. This thing is so tiny. I mean, look at that thing. Hang on, I gotta grab this. I have it already ready because yeah, just look at that. Crane 2, Weebill LAB. Crane 2, Weebill LAB. So let's take a look at the Weebill LAB itself and find out what's new. For starters, this thing is incredibly small, much more so than I originally anticipated. Now there are a number of noteworthy features to the Weebill. The new form factor not only brings an incredibly compact style, but it brings about a few meaningful changes in terms of how you can hold the gimbal. Now operating the gimbal has changed quite a bit too. There is no longer a single button for switching between the different modes. Instead, each mode has its own dedicated switch, which should make it easier and quicker to switch between the different modes. Pew, 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 pew. Now luckily the Oled screen is back, and I absolutely love this thing. It is incredibly handy for telling not only what mode you're in, but adjusting your camera's settings, adjusting gimbal settings, and more. The motors are newly designed as well. Despite being significantly smaller than those on the Crane 2, they have close to pretty much the same payload capacity. Speaking of the motors, the roll axis is now offset. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be very happy about that. It's going to make it easier to see your camera screen while you're filming. Now each motor has its own locking switch, which means you can securely store the Weebill like when you toss it in a bag, but this should also make it really easy to set up and balance the gimbal as well. And so far the switches feel pretty effortless to use. On the bottom we have the image transmission module, which takes your camera's video feed and sends it to your smartphone, so you can monitor your footage and make on-the-fly adjustments to your camera settings. I'm super stoked about putting some extensive hands-on time with this. So there's 3 different packages that Zhiyun is offering. Everything you see in this video is a part of the standard package, which retails for $5.99. Now for $7.99, they offer the creator package. That includes the transmount phone holder, which you use to plug into the side of the Weebill Lab. It includes a mini monopod, a multifunctional camera belt. It includes 2 of these quick setup kit mounts, and then it also includes the zoom and focus motor. Then there's also the master package, which retails for $899. It includes everything from the creator package, plus this really kind of rad looking gimbal bag. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. It's much smaller than I originally thought. It is rather lightweight and comfortable to hold in the hand so far. And some of the features I'm super excited to try out, like the focus dial and the wireless monitoring system that they have built into this. So I'm very eager to test these things out more in depth. In the coming weeks, I'm going to be creating a lot of videos, some in-depth tutorials on this gimbal, how to get it set up, how to balance it, how to use some of the advanced features of it. If you guys have anything that you want to see, or if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to address these things in the videos. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned so you don't miss any of this awesome content coming your way. And oh yeah, thumbs up if you like the vid, by the way. Until the next one. I'll see ya.